Well, hello everybody. Today we wanna talk about uh, what is the structure of problem-solving model, and then we're gonna explain a tutorial for uh, every every problem. The presentation is by Jonathan Escobar López. We're gonna start. This is the structure of the problem solving, and the central part we're gonna put what is the goal. The first step is what is the problem identification. The second step is problem validation, and then what is the problem analyze, the problem development, and finally we wanna make the evaluation outcome. The problem identification is the first step. In this, everybody know what are you trying to solve. In addition to getting clear on what the problem is, defining the problem also establishes a goal for what you want to achieve. For example, the second step is problem validation. The problem validation is to explain the reasons why there is the problem that makes it impossible to achieve the goal. The problem analysis. In this step, you can to help the different tools, for example, SWOT analyze, cause and effect diagram, or Ishikawa diagram is the same, and or you can to use the other tools for analyze the problem. The problem development is important. Now, what are you doing? The implementation of the solution requires planning and execution. It's often iterative, where the focus should be on short implementation cycles with testing and feedback is very important. The finally is evaluation outcome. To know you successfully solve the problem, it's important to review what worked, what didn't, and what impact the solution had. It also helps you improve long-term problem-solving skills and keeps you from reinventing the wheel. In this step, you can use or you can help the different tools. For example, a checklist is an example, or a rubric in different cases. Well, we're gonna start to the tutorial, and the central part we're gonna explain what is the goal. What is the goal? And in this case, we're gonna put the student success. The student success is the our goal. Then the first step is the problem identification. The problem identification in this case is the student is a worker. Okay. The second step is the problem validation, and the problem validation could be don't pay attention, for example. Sorry. Pay attention. Or sleep in class, for example. Okay? This is the problem validation. The third step is to problem analyze. Uh, you can help the different tools, for example, Chicago diagram or diagram tree decision diagram, or defect you have to use a SWOT analysis, for example. And the the problem analysis is, for example, I don't know, life alone, or the student is married, for only two. Life alone, married, sick, for example, or work a bigger journal. Work a bigger journal. Sick, or what is it? What? Married, for example. Then there's the problem development. For example, perform only projects by unit. Perform only projects by unit. Okay. Other create a special module for by study, for example. Yes. Finally, you have to evaluate. In this case, because it's a student success, we're gonna use the rubric. Okay. The rubric will be the tool for the evaluate, and the evaluate will be the project has to have a user's manuals. The rubric will have the necessary instructions to present the project, and all project will have its score. Okay, and that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching my tutorial.